Hello YouTube. Today guys I'm going to show you that how I got Real Steel Boxing Champion mod, and I'm going to show you in this tutorial step by step how I managed to get this mod. So if anyone is interested to learn the steps how I did it, just watch this video tutorial until the end. You're gonna be able to get it also you guys, okay? So in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate to you guys step by step that how I did it for myself, and it's pretty simple and pretty easy. It works on both devices guys, iOS and Android. Today I'm showing the tutorial with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android device, and I already tested my iPhone, which I'm recording with it right now, so I cannot show you the steps. But if you want to make a tutorial for the iOS users, just let me know in the comments below guys, and I'm going to show you that how you can do it also with iOS devices. But I don't think you're going to face any problem because the same steps are required also for the iOS users. You can see I unlocked many robots right now. Okay, we can try to play. Let's make a career. So I will not try to stay too long inside of the game, just to show you that everything is working guys, as you can see over here, and then I'm going to show you that how I managed to do it. So all you need to do guys, before you're gonna leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button guys if you like this video. All right, so the steps are pretty simple guys, you're gonna see it by yourself what I'm going to show you, just to show you a bit of gameplay right now. As you can see, because I upgraded in maximum my robot because I have a lot of money, and you can do also the same. All right, so now I'm going to show you that how I managed to get this mod guys. Okay, so all you have to do guys, you just need to make sure you have good connection with internet, and then all you need to do is just to go to internet browser. You have to go and search about this website. I'm going to type for you guys right now. So this is the name of the website where you have to go. You just need to enter inside of it, and just to wait a couple of seconds to log in, and then you just need to go to search. In the searching bar there are a lot of other mods and games also, you can check later on. And here it is, the first one here. Press the green sign of download and start the loading process. So by the end of this process guys, you're going to be able to install the mod. It will start to generate the coins and money, same as me. All right, so this is my video tour for the day guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before we leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. Okay, thank you for watching guys, see you in the next tutorial. Cheers.